today we're going to be working on restoring these valances. So right now I'm holding the front valance and this is the rear valance here. And as you can see, these are kind of dented and cemented and just ran through. So we're gonna be fixing them up and they're gonna look like $1,000,000 after this. Also, look what came in. These are little like bumper caps that cover over where the bumper used to attach to. Thanks to my friends at EV West, I know that this important piece is gonna be right behind my new backdated bumpers. So I circled all the like dented stuff and just all the problem areas. So I'm gonna start out by flattening everything. Then after that, we get into the grinding. So as you can see, there's like tons of like Bondo on this front valance piece and it's not even smooth. So we just gotta grind it all out. And then we get to move on to welding, just the little nicks in it. But my favorite part of this project is gonna be the exhaust delete. So I'm going to be like tracing this out and filling it in with like a piece of sheet metal. And then I want it to look like just one whole piece because my electric car is not going to have exhaust, so I have no need for this. Because as previously stated, it's gonna look like $1,000,000. So obviously this is gonna be a multi-step process, so here we go. So to get this fit right, I am using a hockey puck attached to the vise. You just saw me grind off all the Bondo because they decided to hide it behind Bondo instead of actually trying to fix this stuff. So now it's my job to fix this stuff. We're graduating from the sports theme and heading into the hammer and dolly kit. It's good being able to see that it's actually fixable. Although you can't really tell as you're tapping and tapping, but at the very end it's like, whoa, that was a big change. It's time to weld up these valances. So now I'm going to delete this exhaust hole. We're gonna have to trace it out, and so we have the complete shape, and then we're gonna put it on some metal, and then weld it right in. Okay, now that I finished the template, we're gonna trace it onto some sheet metal. Perfect. Now I'm gonna weld it in. Deleted. Let's get these valances into paint. Starting with Rust Fix. These valances are all grinded clean, welded shut, hammered out, and now they're ready for primer. Okay, so the valances are done, and look at how nice these things look. I think I did a pretty good job. The coolest part of this project was definitely deleting this exhaust hole. Look at how cool the back is though. That's the piece that I welded in right there. Pretty cool, right?